Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Grateful Dead SB Dunk Low Pack. But before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Nike Skateboarding will be releasing a special edition Nike SB Dunk Low that pays homage to the Grateful Dead Bears, which was a series of stylized dancing bears by Bob Thomas as part of the back cover of the album History of the Grateful Dead Volume 1 Bear's Choice in 1973. There are 3 Grateful Dead bear colorways that will be releasing as a part of a pack similar to the 3 Bears pack from 2006. Each shoe features a fuzzy fox fur upper with suede overlays and a jagged swoosh that nods to the bear's gesture collar. Finishing details includes a stash pocket behind the tongue to store your special belongings. Look for the Grateful Dead Nike SB Dunk Low style to release this summer 2020 at select skate shops and Nike.com. The retail price tag is set at $110. So we're supposed to have 3 colorways. Now there's a possibility they will throw in the other 2 colorways, whether that's a friends and family edition or whatever the case may be, but for sure we'll be getting 3 different colorways, which is the orange pair, green pair, and yellow pair. As soon as I get the release info on these shoes, I will make a how to cop video where I will go over resell and all that good stuff. For now, I just want to go over the shoe, give you guys an idea of what is going on, and really just take in your opinions. I want to see what you guys think about this pack. Starting off with the green colorway. Again, you got the fox fur, very fluffy, up in the toe section, on the sides, and in the back. You do have the suede overlays. Now, the Nike swoosh is very dope and pays homage to the little collar that the bears have. You have a green tongue with a Nike logo up in blue with the dancing bear in front of it. I think that little circle patch is very cool. While we're talking about the tongue, this shoe does come with a little stash pocket. You already know what's gonna be put in there. I think it's super cool. Little extra features like that really get me hyped up about a sneaker. You have a green lining, green insole, green, blue, yellow, orange, and pink bears on the insole. I think that's very cool. I love it when Nike does those little extras, and it makes the whole experience of the shoe just a lot more exciting. So as sneakerheads, we always love little features like this. The green one comes with green laces as well as a set of blue laces. Now looking at the yellow colorway, now the blue on this colorway is more of a teal Tiffany type blue. I think it accents the yellow very nicely. I like all the colorways. I think they're all pretty even as far as what I would rock, what I could stand. I feel no matter what colorway you go with, it's gonna kind of stand out, and it's gonna be somewhat hard to really style just because you got to find the right outfit to go with these colors. But sometimes that's the best way to have that ultimate outfit. You know, to have some really loud shoes can really set your outfit off and, you know, make you stand out from the crowd. Now last but honestly my favorite colorway is the orange and green colorway. You guys can see the fox fur and suede is in the orange color, and then you got blue on all the other accents like the Nike swoosh, the bear on the logo, as well as the embroidered Nike on the heel section. Then you got a white midsole with a normal gum bottom outsole, and also I feel like the outsole being just a common gum bottom outsole makes this colorway kind of stand out from the rest. I'll get you guys my resale predictions once I get more info on this release. Again, I will be making a full how to cop video. I'll have a store list in the description, how to cop, resell, all that good stuff, tips and tricks. If you guys want to see that video and you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Is this a release you guys are looking forward to, or do you think it's really not going to be that special? Let me know all that stuff down below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
Man, I should have known that I was special from the start. You can see my soul while I'm just talking, it's the art. Ice cold, nice clothes, tight flows, I'm those. Rose out the concrete, hard as a rock though. An old soul, young heart with some great goals. I'ma eat meat, not grass, I'm no goat.